And it turns out that we're both from Orange County. So I came and I had what's called quadrant work done, where they do preventative dentistry in all 4 quadrants, because the dentists I'd been in the past, they did nothing to prevent cavities. So every now and then out of a cavity, they'd put a crown in it or do a root canal. But I was sick of, getting all these surgeries done. So instead, he just did some preventative work in all 4 quadrants. And ever since, I think my teeth has looked the best ever. So instead of waiting for the infection to come about, he would teach me how to correctly brush your teeth. He calls it the pencil line. And his goal was never to see me again, right? And most dentists, they want you to come back over and over again, obviously an expensive procedure, but he's like, his goal is to never see you again. And I'm like, I'm going with Greg. And ever since, my teeth, they've been great. Because he actually teaches you how to brush correctly, right? Where the other dentists are like, oh, you just do this and that, but he's more, it's more a comprehensive approach, all right? Because again, he's into prevention. He doesn't want to wait till your teeth are infected. He wants it to be prevented, right? Yeah.